All right, so today I'm going to be installing this fixture um, and then just screwing in this light. It's an LED light, super bright. Um, so I just wanted to bring attention to the back side of this fixture. It has two pairs, and that's if you have incoming wires and outgoing wires. And I'll explain that in a bit. Um, this is the model that has the two sets. Okay, and this model here only has one set, so it has two terminals. So I just wanted to point that out in case you were buying it online. That's the difference. Okay, so this is the best I can do. Oh, let me go shut the lights, shut the power. I'll be right back. Okay, so please excuse the bad lighting. This is the best I can do with the power off. So here I got two wires coming in and two wires going out. So that's why in this case you need the two sets. Okay, so the dark one here goes with the brass terminal and the light one here goes with the silver. The way I usually remember it is this light one is closer in color to the silver and the dark one's closer in color to the brass. So what I like to do is just strip the wires back like that. They make wire strippers. I don't have them, so I just used, like a little scissor thing here at the end of this. And here's a neat trick that an electrician showed me. You pinch it like here with needle nose and just turn it around. You make yourself a nice hook that goes around the terminals. That's pretty nice. Hope you can see that. Then all I do is unscrew this so that I have space to put it in. So in this case, the dark to the dark. The light to the light, both on the same side. Okay, and we have dark to dark here. And then light to light. All right, so That's all of them hooked up. Then what comes with the fixtures, the lamp holder fixtures, are these longer screws. So I also wanted to show you, some people didn't know what kind of box to buy. You should buy the Octagonal Box, and from here to here, diagonal, oh, good, nice, is 4 inches from here to here. And then, like I was saying, it comes with the longer screws because this fixture takes up some space. So I take out the old screws that come with the box. See the difference? Yeah, it's a big difference. And just start feeding the new ones. Now, as you can see, there's like a little keyhole. And then I push this through the keyholes and twist it clockwise to lock it in. And then I just tighten it up. I do a little here, a little there, so that the pressure is even. Now don't over tighten, because then you could crack it, especially if it's porcelain. So just nice and snug. Okay. And then we're just going to screw this in. All right. Yay. All right. So I hooked up 1, 2, 3 of those super bright ones. And then I hooked up another 1, 2 regular LEDs. And that's it. Not too bad. So I hope this was informative. Hope you could see enough in the dark. Have any questions, just feel free to post them in the comment section. Hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Right? Bye.